Okay, hi. I'm doing a vlog in my house today just because the weather is kind of cloudy outside, and it's probably really bad. I'm about to go for a walk with my dog though, so hopefully she'll get out of bed. You're staring at me. Look at her. She's just staring at me. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, go. Let's go. Yeah. Not much happened. Played more TF2 again. It's getting ridiculous. Today I'm trying to stay away from playing TF2, and I have my scale mate. I was going to fix him today. I might. He's really badly sewn. Come on, camera focus. He's got like stitches everywhere, and it's not good. But yeah. Played TF2 yesterday. I think I started at, would have been 1 o'clock, maybe? Yeah, 1 o'clock-ish. We started at 1 o'clock, and then we played until like, I don't know, 3, and then we stopped playing and we took a break until like 6, and then we played from 6 until like midnight, and then I stopped playing at midnight, and we talked, and my friend Colin is getting me to play Dungeons & Dragons. Yeah, I'm gonna be a nerd. I'm looking forward to it though. It seemed fun last night. He wouldn't let me name my character though. He allowed me to name it the first name, but the last name, Ragu Baguette, because apparently that's my name for everything now, according to him. So, yeah. I'm gonna let this go now, because I'm probably rambling. My arm's getting tired from holding this camera up so high. I feel like Danny, and just move the camera everywhere. No? Okay. I'm gonna end this now. So, goodbye. I lied. It's sunny out. Actually very bright. I swear it was dark when I looked outside. Just waiting for the dog. Horses aren't out. They're over there. I'm not going that far though. Bless me. Oh god, you heard me sneeze. Yeah. I'm gonna go home. Try to keep myself busy. Not go on the computer as much as possible. Yeah. Bless me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving now. Oh, there's a bird. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. I just sneezed like 30 times after I stopped recording. And I can feel it coming on again. I don't know why I'm sneezing so much. Ugh. I sneezed about, I counted 8 times after I stopped recording, and I still have like 5 more coming. Hope I'm not getting sick.